Universal adjustable kayak seat for sit-on-top kayak or stand-up paddleboard, SUP. Water repellent seat made of durable and resistant nylon. Multi-adjustment web strap system and articulated design to maximize your comfort. Easily attaches to D-rings, may require the accessory mounting kit PS0480-3. 19 in x 19x8 in. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product, not universal fit. Through no fault of the seller, this kayak seat does not readily fit my kayak. I will have to do some modification to make it fit. However, that doesn't alter the fact that this is an excellent seat cushion and a major improvement over the original seat. This should fit most sit-on-top kayaks and provide excellent cushioning and back support. There is ample adjustment range, and a simple mechanism for adjusting the seat back support. Great product, fantastic price and service.